Want to learn how to collaborate with teams in Process.st? Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you how to make teamwork seamless with this powerful process management tool. First, if you're new to Process.st, it's an all-in-one process and workflow management software that lets you manage tasks, automate workflows, and collaborate effectively. And the best part? You can use it completely free by clicking the link in the description below. I'll even throw in some exclusive bonuses for you, so don't miss out. Now, let's dive into how to collaborate with your team in Process.st. The first key feature to focus on is shared templates. When you create a template, you can share it with your entire team, so everyone is on the same page. No more sending out endless emails or struggling with outdated documents. With Process.st, once you build your template, anyone on your team can access it, follow the same workflow, and contribute as needed. When you're working with teams, assigning tasks is crucial. With Process.st, you can assign tasks to specific team members directly within the template. When someone finishes their task, it's marked as complete, and the next team member gets notified. This keeps things moving and ensures accountability without the need for constant check-ins. Another game changer is real-time collaboration. Process.st makes it easy to work on a task at the same time. Team members can leave comments and tag each other in specific sections of the process. This creates a dynamic environment where communication is clear and ongoing, making it much easier to stay updated and troubleshoot issues as they come up. If you're managing a larger team, you'll love the Panasant permission controls in Process.st. This feature allows you to control who can see and edit your workflows. You can give full access to certain team members, while others may only need view-only access. It's perfect for maintaining security and making sure sensitive information is only available to those who need it. Let's not forget about sheet automation. Process.st allows you to automate repetitive tasks, saving you and your team a ton of time. For example, you can automate task assignments, due date reminders, and even send email notifications when a task is completed. These automations not only streamline your workflow, but also reduce human error, which leads to more consistent results. The Ask Activity feed is another collaboration tool you'll find invaluable. It lets you see what's happening in real time, who's doing what, and what tasks are coming up next. This way, you can stay up to date with team progress without being overwhelmed by email chains or chats. To top it all off, Process.st integrates with a ton of other apps like Slack, Zapier, Google Drive, and more. This means you can keep all your tools connected and your team can continue working in their preferred platforms without any disruption. One more tip. Use the mobile app. Whether you're in the office or on the go, you can access your workflows and stay in sync with your team. The mobile app is fully functional, so you'll never be out of the loop. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that Process.st is available for free through the link below, and it comes with exclusive bonuses. Start collaborating more efficiently today, and your team will thank you for it. Don't miss the extended free trial and start streamlining your workflows with Process.st now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.